Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Just Fixing Stuff. On this episode here, I'm going to show you how I test a contactor for an AC unit. A contactor is basically just a switch that's controlled by a small 24 volt electromagnet coil, for lack of a better term. And I'll show you how to test it and kind of go over the best methods in the video ahead. But yeah, other than that, please enjoy the video. Okay, so first thing that we want to do is to take our tester or multimeter and set it to resistance, which is the omega symbol in the Greek alphabet. And I want to make sure that it says OL, which just means open line. And that means because your leads are not touching anything. So from here, we're going to grab the contactor and verify the terminals. As you can see, there's two here. Then they have a copper wire that wraps all the way around, connecting to these other two right here. And that's what that coil is underneath it. That is the copper wire that creates a electromagnetic magnet, essentially. From here, you're going to take your testing leads. I like to put little alligator clip extensions on there just to get a little extra bite. And I like to connect them on to one side of the terminal, and then you go to the other side of the terminal, or the other terminal, I should say. Connect your other lead, and it should have about 15 ohms of resistance. If you're within the 11 to probably 18 ohms of resistance for a contactor, you should be good. As you can see, this one is good, so we are good to go. And that's how you test the 24 volt circuit of a contactor. Well, that pretty much does it for this video here. If you liked the video, if you could please subscribe to the channel, it really helps out. And obviously like the channel too, or like the video, I should say. Other than that, please let me know what you're thinking down in the comments. I'd love to hear kind of if there's anything that you guys want to see more of, or if there's any kind of questions or concerns or comments that you got. Please let me know. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.